Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Desire channel. Welcome to another exciting video. If you're looking to handle your office tasks, design, content creation, and even business planning all in one single platform powered by AI, this video is exactly for you. Today, we are diving deep into the all-in-one platform, Genspark, and we're going to build a real-world project together, launching Desire Coffee. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming projects. Let's head over to the monitor. This is the homepage of the website, as you can see, and it brings everything together in one place. To start, we use the sign up option, or if you have already registered, click on sign in. You can log in using your Google or Apple account, or your personal email. I'm going to log in with my Gmail account. As you can see, there is an Office Suite section where you can create presentation slides, Excel sheets, and documents, or even install its plugin to use within your system's local applications. Other highly professional tools available here include UI/UX prototyping and software or website design, which not only design for you but also provide the actual deployment assets. However, I've decided to cover this section in a separate video because it is quite advanced and a bit complex. The next tool is content creation, which is specially built for creators and designers. It's incredibly practical, and we will explore it together today. Another tool is AI Meeting, designed for students and professionals to easily take automated notes during online meetings. Lastly, we have the AI Agent feature, which allows you to request all these tasks through a single prompt and execute them in a dedicated workspace. To begin, I want to use AI Slides, so I'll click on it. We enter this page, and at the bottom, you can browse previously created slides, which look highly academic and professional. You can design sleek business presentations, or use the design mode for posters, catalogs, and book covers. I want to use the professional mode to create a presentation deck. I'll start with a business plan. In this section, you can set the aspect ratio. I will choose 16:9, which is the standard widescreen format. Right here, you can activate guide mode, which helps you step by step so you know exactly which options to use, providing clear guidance throughout the process. With the plus button, you can upload a reference file or provide any text you already have prepared so the AI can use it as a source. In this section, you can choose the model. It offers standard and ultra. I will select the ultra model to ensure the best possible output. In this input box, we write our prompt. I want to move forward with a startup coffee shop scenario, so I'll input this request. Create a 12-slide pitch deck for Desire Coffee, a high-end minimalist coffee shop, focusing on specialty coffee beans and eco-friendly packaging. After typing the prompt, I'll hit Generate, and the agent will start processing. After analyzing my request for a moment, the AI asks me 2 clarifying questions to better understand exactly what I need. We will go through this workflow and answer them. For the first question, since I want a brand presentation, I'll select Brand Deck. The next question is about the content source, asking where the information should be gathered from. I'll choose Mix and move to the next step. Finally, it asks about the visual theme and color palette. Since I specified minimalist in my prompt, I'll select Dark and Moody here, which I think fits the aesthetic of a coffee brand perfectly. Now, the AI starts processing and gathering assets. After that, it continues the project by generating custom images using advanced text-to-image models. This is one of the greatest features of this platform. It seamlessly integrates the world's best image generators and chatbots. It generates a few images for us and immediately starts building the slides, preparing exactly the 12 slides we requested. Page by page, it structures the layout, runs the back-end process, and places the images and text. I'll wait for it to finish everything so we can review the final result together. Once the agent completes the task, we can export our file from this section. Clicking on it opens this menu, allowing us to download all pages together or individually in PDF, PowerPoint, PPTX, or Google Slides formats. I'll download it as a PPTX file, which is native to Microsoft PowerPoint. Finally, I'll click on Play Slides so we can flip through them together. It did an outstanding job, matching the dark theme we requested perfectly, absolutely brilliant and professional for an official presentation. Now, let's move on to the next tool, AI Sheet. Clicking on it opens this interface. As you can see, on the right side, it opens a blank grid just like Excel or Google Sheets. This is where we enter our prompt. We can choose between standard, ultra, or light models. For our current task, I think the standard model is more than enough. Since I want to set up a workflow, staff shift schedules, inventory purchasing, and all the essential tasks required to launch a cafe, I'll use this tool to build a solid operational plan. I will input this prompt. Generate a comprehensive operation sheet for a coffee shop, including a daily cleaning checklist, staff shift schedule, and an inventory budget table for milk, beans, and pastries. You don't need to do any manual work, just enter your request, and the AI will write everything, set up the formulas, and deliver the final spreadsheet. Let's try it together. It effortlessly starts generating the cleaning checklist, staff shifts, budget allocation, and even builds a management dashboard. I'll wait for it to fully complete. Look at that. It generated a highly accurate 1-month plan for us. No extra work was needed on our part, we just need to follow this roadmap. One quick tip, if the agent pauses midway, you just need to type "continue" and it will resume working until it delivers the final result. As you can see, it built our file beautifully, organized everything across sheets, and even calculated the expenses in detail. Now, before even launching a business, you know exactly what steps to take. I'll download this file and save it to the system. Next up, let's look at AI Document. In this section, you can order any text or article you need, and the platform will generate it using powerful models like Claude or GPT, delivering a complete, fully formatted, and ready-to-use article. The next tool I want to explore is AI Chat. I'll click it to open the window. Once the page loads, you can choose from various LLMs. As you can see, all the latest global models are available here, such as GPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, and MiniMax. You can ask any question or get assistance with any task, so definitely give it a try. Now, let's move on to AI Image. On this page, below the prompt box, you can see gorgeous images generated by the community. Here, you can check out the available image models, the world's best, like Ideogram, Midjourney, Flux, Imagen, and other advanced models are accessible right here. I'm going to use the platform's advanced imaging model. In this section, you can choose the aspect ratio and quality. I'll select 16:9, which is perfect for YouTube. Over here, you can specify camera and lens settings. Since I don't have deep technical knowledge about lenses, I'll just leave this on auto. We will write our prompt in this box. I want to design the logo for our cafe. A minimalist luxury logo for Desire Coffee, featuring a stylized coffee bean integrated with a heart shape, gold and forest green colors, white background. I'll hit the generate button and wait for the agent to start working. Moments later, it creates our logo. Let's take a look. It looks incredibly elegant and designed exactly the way we envisioned it. Now, on the left side, the agent gives us 3 smart suggestions. The third option is very interesting. It asks if I wanted to create a business card, mockups, and packaging concepts based on this logo. All I need to do is type the number 3 here and click Generate to let it create the assets. It built all 4 variations flawlessly. They are incredibly beautiful, minimalist, and truly impressive. An amazing feature here is that you can edit the images directly and modify any area you want. It's incredibly intuitive. By simply clicking on any object, that specific element is added to the chat, and you can instruct the AI to modify just that part. I'll download this image as well and save it to the system. Now, let's check out another exciting feature, AI Video. I'll click on it to open the page. Here, you can see a wide array of powerful video generation models available, like Kling, Sora, VEO, and Luma, allowing you to create teasers with whichever engine you prefer. I'll just gloss over this step for now, but make sure to try it out and experiment with it yourself. The next tool we want to look at is located under Content Creation, which holds a variety of assets for creators, including AI Music, AI Audio, and AI Podcast. I want to use AI Music, so I'll click on it to enter the workspace. Here, you can select the music generation model, featuring options like Mureka, 11 Labs, and Lyria. I will use the Mureka instrumental model. Since we've been building assets for our Café business from the start, I want to create a light background track for the coffee shop. You can select the genre here, but I'll leave it on auto since I want to write the specific details in the prompt myself. In the prompt section, I'll write my request like this. Create relaxing and chill music for background, coffee shop music, light, nostalgic. I wanted to generate music using these distinct blended styles. I'll click Generate and wait for the track to be ready. Alright, our music is generated, let's listen to it together. That was brilliant, beautiful, and completely relaxing. The final section of this platform is the Build tool, which allows you to handle UI design, prototyping, and coding. As I mentioned earlier, we will review this feature comprehensively in a dedicated, separate video. Alright guys, that wraps up our deep dive into the incredibly powerful features of Genspark. You saw how we managed to build everything from professional office slides and operational sheets to a custom logo and background music for Desire Coffee, all within a few minutes using AI. As promised, we will fully break down the advanced build section in our very next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what kind of project you'd like us to develop using the build feature next. Make sure to subscribe to the Desire channel so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay creative, and see you guys.